Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
De este líder, porque ellos que obedecen a las órdenes del líder.
No me que dijeras, porque apareció. Y hostia, no jodas, esto es viral, ¿eh?
No. Que hay que tratar bien a los de fuera. Pero esto tenía como es una navaja de doble filo, digamos, hay dos caras en esta moneda, porque dices, que guay, me están tratando bien.
Sí.
Pero piensas, ¿y qué pasaría si te dicen mañana que ya no nos tratéis bien?
Claro.
Oh my God, dude.
Mec, je te vois,
Did you just see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that? Oh my God! What the hell?
What the fuck?
Oh my God!
That was wild.
What the? What the hell?
Accident just happened just now.
What happened?
He just got hit, look.
Where?
That car, look. He just got hit, that car hit him. I got that on camera, yo.
Just now?
Yeah. He's drunk driving.
Oh, no, honey.
No,
for oil, then that's what they find from all, so they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth. They're really looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth. There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional.
Man!
What the f was I doing?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Jesus Christ.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.